Almost two-thirds of employers say housing shortages are driving demand for hybrid and remote working. A similar portion say the lack of accommodation is creating pressure for bigger pay and benefit packages, according to a major report. It was also revealed that some businesses are closing their offices on Fridays when staff work remotely in an effort to cut heating and other costs. Housing shortages remain a major challenge for employers, according to the survey on pay and employment across the private sector and commercial semi-state companies by HR consultancy CIPD and Industrial Relations News. It shows the persistent impact of the housing crisis is having a significant impact on the way people want to work. A total of 65% of employers said housing shortages are impacting demand for hybrid and remote work, which makes it easier for workers to live in less expensive areas. 68% said housing shortages are causing pressure in relation to pay and benefits, while 61% of employers said the scarcity of accommodation creates problems attracting top talent. Official figures show a third of the Irish workforce work from home at least one day a week. The pay survey also revealed that more than half of businesses are planning an average pay rise of 3.6% this year. A total of 58% of firms said they will push up pay, but the increase is lower than the average 4.2% wage hike paid last year. Some 19% of employers plan to keep pay rates static, while 23% are undecided. However, a quarter of employers are planning to increase benefits other than pay. A total of 66% say they will award bonuses. The top non-pay benefits include pension contributions, sick pay and maternity leave top-ups, extra annual leave, tax-free vouchers, on-site facilities, health insurance contributions, paternity and parents' benefit top-ups, and housing assistance.